Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madonna Little and Art, helping you with drawing ideas to kickstart your creativity for beginners. And hello to my new subscribers, I'm glad you're here. For today's video, I'm gonna show you another drawing ideas for summer season. So let's get started. I collected these lovely subjects today from the backyard, and I have some wild berries, wildflower, and a fern. And using a pencil, I'm just gonna locate the shape of it on the paper. I will not use it for the entire drawing. This is helpful if you want to draw the shape or just inside the box or just to simplify it. So it's just really a guide. You can skip this step if you want to dive in directly in drawing. And then using my favorite micron 0.5 pen, I'm just going to draw a few berries here. And these are wild berries. And it has organic shape, so you don't have to worry about being too accurate or perfect. I'm just simplifying the shapes and form. These are kind of like similar to drawing an outline, and these are super fun to doodle or draw. If you haven't seen my first summer drawing ideas, I have a separate video for that. You can check it out if you want to. If you are still looking for more ideas to try, and if berries are not available to your country or home, try drawing your local fruits. These are mostly clams or clusters, subcircle, oval, and it's so fun. And if you want to incorporate your leaves to look more natural, give it a try. It doesn't have to be super perfect or as in super realistic. Feel free to let go of your style. What is your favorite summer fruit? I would love to hear from you. So let's go now to the fern. For this drawing, instead of the whole fern, I just draw part of the section of the leaf. Just observe the general shape of the fern and try to doodle or draw it. Just the goal is just to put that idea on the paper. And this exercise is great if you want to practice your line art drawings and at the same time filling a page in your sketchbook or sketchpad. And you can add colors afterwards if you wanted to. Next, for the wildflower, I have a purple or violet wildflower here. I do not remember the exact name of the specific flowers, but they grew alongside with wild berries. And if you have any idea what's the name of this flower, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. And this has 5 petals and has elongated leaves. And instead of attaching the leaves to the flower, I drew it separately, and either way is okay. You can always draw your way and give yourself freedom to draw how you like the subjects that you chosen to draw with. And I'm gonna add another flower here, just a random flower. I pulled this idea from the same flower, and the only difference is that it overlaps lots of petals, which reminds me of a sunflower. Yes, why not? Let's draw a sunflower. This time, sunflower is a really great subject for summer, not only because of its hot color, but also they grow mostly in summer. So I'm not gonna draw it super realistic style, so the shape is round now. And I do this technique when I do not have a compass with me or any circle shape to trace on. I'll just mark some dots around instead of drawing a circle in the middle, which you can do that too. And from that, I will just randomly fill the middle part of the small circle to add more depth and texture to the flower. And for the petals of the sunflower, instead of super random shapes, I decided for long slender ones, and they really comes with different shapes. It's just a matter of choice what you like to put it in there. And if you made a doodle or drawing based from my tutorials, please tag me on Instagram so I can cheer you up or see your project, and I will love to see it. And as usual, I'm going to use my marker to color the sunflower and add some color to it to pop a little bit. And instead of filling it with all this plain yellow, I'm just gonna pull this color pencil to finish the flowers. So sunflower has kind of like orange shades to it, so I'll add a little bit to add some dimension. So there you go, guys. This is another drawing ideas for summer, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.